Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Talk Confident. I am so happy you are here with us today. It is a beautiful day to learn. It is a beautiful day to grow.
Hello, everyone. It is great to be back. I am feeling very relaxed today, very peaceful.
I'm glad to hear that, Alex. Peaceful is good. We need peace to learn well. Tell me, why do you feel peaceful today?
Well, I took a long walk this morning. The air was cool, the sun was shining. I just breathed, in and out. It helped me clear my mind.
That sounds wonderful. A clear mind is perfect for our conversation. And how are our listeners feeling? I hope you are feeling calm too. Maybe you are walking like Alex, or maybe you are drinking tea.
Whatever you were doing, we are happy you were here. If you like our conversations, please remember to subscribe to Talk Confident. Just click the button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And give us a like if you feel ready to learn. Okay, Alex, today we have a very special topic, a very important topic.
I think I know this topic. Is it about grammar?
No, no grammar today. Today is about something bigger. Today we are talking about confidence, specifically how to sound more confident without perfect English.
Oh, I love this topic. This is a big problem for many people. Many students feel they must be perfect. They think, my English is not good enough.
Exactly. They think, I make mistakes, so I should be quiet. But that is not true. You do not need perfect English to be confident. You do not need perfect grammar to be strong.
That is right. Confidence is not about perfection. Confidence is about connection. It is about connecting with other people.
Confidence is about connection. I like that. Can you say that again, Alex?
Confidence is about connection. It is not about perfect words. It's about understanding each other.
Yes. So let's imagine a situation. Imagine a student. Let's call him Marco. Marco is at a coffee shop. He wants to order a coffee, but he's nervous.
Poor Marco. He is thinking, what if I say the wrong word? What if I use the wrong verb tense? His heart is beating fast. Boom, boom, boom.
Ah, we all know that feeling. The fear, the worry. So what does Marco do? He speaks very quietly. He looks at the floor. He mumbles.
He says, coffee, please. Sorry.
And because he mumbles, the waiter cannot hear him. The waiter says, "What?" And Marco feels even worse. He thinks, "See, my English is bad."
But the problem was not his English. The problem was his volume. The problem was his body language.
Exactly. This is our first secret today. Secret number 1, body language. How you stand, how you look.
It sounds simple, but it changes everything. If Marco stands up tall, if he lifts his head, he looks confident, even if he is nervous inside.
Yes, shoulders back, head up, look at the person. Eye contact is very powerful. When you look at someone, you say, "I am here. I am speaking to you."
And don't forget the face. What is the easiest way to look confident, Sophie?
To smile. A smile is magic. It really is. When you smile, you relax. And when you smile, the other person relaxes too.
It is true. If Marco smiles at the waiter will smile back. It creates a bridge, a friendly bridge.
So, even if Marco makes a grammar mistake, if he smiles and looks the waiter in the eyes, the communication works.
Let's try it. I will be Marco, but a confident Marco.
Okay, I'm the waiter. Playful. Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, I would like a large coffee, please.
With milk?
Yes, a little milk. Thank you.
Perfect. Oh, that was great. Did you use complex grammar?
No, simple words. I would like, yes, thank you. But I spoke clearly. I spoke slowly, and I imagined I was smiling.
Oh, I could hear the smile in your voice. That's important. Listeners, can you hear a smile? Try it now. Smile while you listen. It changes your voice.
So secret number 1 is body language. Stand tall, look up, smile. What is secret number 2, Sophie?
Secret number 2 is about time. It is about speed. Many learners think, I must speak fast. Native speakers speak fast, so I must speak fast.
Ah, yes, the fast trap. They try to speak very quickly, but then they get stuck. They trip over their words.
Yes, they run, 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 and then crash. It is better to walk.
Walk with your words. I like that. When you speak slowly, you have time. You have time to find the word. You have time to think.
And here's a secret. When you speak slowly, you sound more confident, not less.
Really? Why is that?
Because powerful people do not rush. Think about a president or a wise teacher. Do they rush? Do they speak super fast?
No, they take their time. They pause. Like this.
Exactly. A pause is not a bad thing. A pause is powerful. It shows you are in control. You are controlling the conversation.
So, if I forget a word, I should not panic.
No, do not panic. Just pause. Take a breath. It's okay.
Okay, let's practice this. Listeners, I want you to say a sentence. Say, I am learning English, but say it very slowly.
I will do it with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I am learning English.
That sounded strong. It sounded serious. Now, imagine saying it fast and nervous. I am learning English, sorry.
That sounds scared. That sounds small. Slow is big. Slow is strong.
So, do not be afraid of silence. If you need a moment, take a moment. You can even use a thinking phrase.
What is a thinking phrase? Can you give us an example?
Sure, if you forget a word, you can say, let me think, or how do I say this, or simply, one moment.
Ah, those are good. They tell the other person, I'm not finished, I'm just thinking.
Yes, it keeps the connection open. It's honest. One moment, please. That is very polite. It's very confident.
I like let me see. I use that sometimes. Where is my phone? Let me see.
See, even native speakers do this. We all need time to think. So, secret number 2, slow down. Breathe. Take your time. Okay, we have body language, we have slowness. What is secret number 3?
Secret number 3 is about mistakes. The scary mistakes.
Ooh, mistakes. Everyone hates mistakes. We want to be perfect.
But Alex, is perfection real? Do you speak perfect English all the time?
Me? No. I make mistakes every day. I stumble, I say the wrong name. Sometimes I start a sentence and I don't finish it.
Exactly. We are human. Robots are perfect. Humans are messy. And that's okay. But for a learner, a mistake feels dangerous. They think, people will laugh at me.
Most people are nice, Alex. Most people want to understand you. They do not carry a red pen. They are not grading your grammar.
That is a good point. They are listening to your idea, not your verb endings.
Exactly. So, secret number 3 is accept your mistakes. Do not stop. Keep going.
Imagine Marco again. Imagine he says, I want 2 coffee. No S, 2 coffee. Is that a big problem?
Not at all. Does the waiter understand? Yes. Does Marco get his coffee? Yes. Mission successful.
But if Marco realizes the mistake, if he thinks, oh no, I forgot the plural.
If he stops and apologizes, oh, sorry, sorry, my English is bad, then it becomes awkward. It breaks the flow.
Right. But if he just smiles and keeps talking, nobody cares.
Exactly. Keep moving. Imagine you're walking on a path. You trip on a small stone. Do you lie down on the ground and cry?
No, I stumble, I say oops, and I keep walking.
Be like that with English. You trip on a word? Oops. Keep walking. Keep speaking. The destination is more important than the stone.
I love that image. The destination is communication. The stone is just a little mistake.
Listeners, I want you to remember this. Your ideas are valuable. Your stories are interesting. We want to hear what you say. We do not care if your grammar is perfect. We care about you.
That is very true. When I talk to someone from another country, I am interested in their culture, their life. I am not checking their prepositions.
Checking their prepositions. That sounds like a boring hobby.
Very boring. So let's recap. We have 3 secrets to sound confident.
Yes, let's review them slowly.
Secret number 1, body language. Stand tall, look up, and
Smile. Always smile. It helps you and the listener.
secret number 2, slow down. Do not rush. Pausing is powerful.
Yes, take your time. Use thinking phrases like one moment or let me think.
And secret number 3, keep going. Mistakes are okay. Do not apologize for your English. Just tell your story.
Perfect. Simple, right? But it takes practice.
It does. You have to practice being brave.
Practice being brave. I love that. Confidence is a muscle. You have to exercise it.
Maybe our listeners can try a small challenge today, a confidence challenge.
Oh, fun. What is the challenge?
The challenge is go into the world, speak English to one person, or write a comment in English. But do not try to be perfect.
I like it. Just focus on the connection. Look at them, smile, speak slowly, and see what happens.
I think they will be surprised. People will respond well.
I think so too. When you are calm, people listen. When you smile, people smile back.
It's like a mirror. You give confidence, you get respect.
Beautifully said, Alex. You know, I feel more confident just talking about this.
Me too. It's a good reminder, even for us. We do not need to be perfect hosts. We just need to be real.
Real is better than perfect. Always. We hope this conversation helps you. We hope you feel a little lighter, a little stronger.
You are doing a great job. Learning a language is hard. Be proud of yourself.
Yes, be proud. Every word you learn is a victory. Every time you speak, you win.
We believe in you.
We really do. Before we go, we would love to hear from you.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, which secret is your favorite? Number 1, 2, or 3?
Or tell us about a time you felt confident. We love reading your stories. Your English in the comments does not need to be perfect. Just right.
We read every comment. And please subscribe to Talk Confident so you don't miss our next chat.
Thank you for listening today. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Thank you, Sophie, and thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful, confident day.
Goodbye, friends. See you next time.
Goodbye. Take care.